In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add views to projects in ClickUp. This process is a fantastic way to tailor your workspace to better suit your needs, giving you the flexibility and control to manage projects just the way you like. Whether you're working on a single list or managing an entire workspace, understanding where and how to add views can make a significant difference in your productivity. To start, let's talk about the different levels where you can add views in ClickUp. The platform allows you to add views at multiple levels, each providing a unique perspective on your tasks. You can add a view to a list, which will show you all the tasks specifically within that project or list. This is perfect if you're focusing on a particular project and only want to see tasks pertinent to it. Then, there's the folder level. This option gives you an overview of all the lists contained within that folder, making it easier to manage interconnected projects. If you're looking to get an even broader perspective, you can add views at the space level. This includes every folder and list in that specific space, helping you spot patterns and trends across various projects. Finally, you have the option to add views at the everything level, which allows you to see tasks spread across your entire workspace. This is your go-to if you need a holistic view of everything on your plate. Now that we understand the different levels, let's move on to adding a new view. Begin by opening the project where you want to implement the view. This could be a list, a folder, or even a space. Once you're there, you'll want to direct your attention to the Views bar located at the top of the screen. Click on the plus icon labeled View. This action will bring up a modal where you can select the type of view that's best suited for your needs. ClickUp generously offers a range of options under task views. These include List, Board, Calendar, Gantt, Table, Timeline, Mind Map, Workload, and Activity. Each of these views offers unique ways to look at your tasks and plan your workflow. If you prefer page views, you can choose from options like Dashboard, Docs, Whiteboard, or Embed, everything except Form. This versatility allows for a truly personalized experience tailored to how you work best. There are a couple of additional settings you may want to consider before finalizing your view. You have the option to check Private View if you want to keep this new addition for your eyes only. This can be useful if you're experimenting with different views or dealing with confidential information. Alternatively, you can choose to pin the view, ensuring it always appears in the bar for quick access. After making your selections, simply click to add and customize the view as needed. With these steps, you can transform how you monitor projects and tasks in ClickUp, ultimately making your workflow more efficient and customized to your liking.